Publishers spend thousands of dollars polishing covers and editing manuscripts, yet consistently ignore the physical eyesight of their most reliable buyers. By designing books that are literally painful to read, the industry abandons a massive demographic willing to spend money on functional products. According to the 2020 census, 1 in 6 people in the U.S. are 65 or older. Crucially, 61% of those aged 65 to 74 use the internet regularly. This demographic represents a massive, active market, currently starved for books they can actually read. Most of the publishing industry treats accessible design as a charitable obligation. They view it as an ethical afterthought to avoid complaints, rather than a core business strategy to drive sales. By actively solving the specific physical reading barriers that your competitors ignore, you step into an uncontested market space. This is a classic blue ocean strategy, fighting massive value where others aren't even looking. Designing specifically for the biological realities of aging eyes is a direct path to capturing untapped market share in a highly saturated ecosystem. As we age, our pupils naturally shrink. This physical change causes significant vision loss in low-light environments and severely reduces contrast sensitivity. For a younger eye, this photograph of a lorikeet provides a baseline of perfect visual clarity with highly saturated, distinct colors. When we apply the physical constraints of age-related vision impairment, that same subject blurs. Trendy book design often relies on thin typography and low-contrast color palettes. To an older reader, those subtle aesthetic choices disappear, making the text frustrating to navigate. To correct this, we rely on the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG 2.2. These guidelines provide a strict scientific framework for ensuring content remains completely legible to everyone. First, we have to eliminate imposter characters, where an uppercase I, a lowercase l, and the number 1 all look identical. As this comparison shows, switching to clean, open sans serif fonts prevents this visual confusion and reduces cognitive load. WCAG 2.2 also dictates strict color rules. Standard text requires a 4.5:1 minimum color contrast ratio against its background. Anything lower forces the eye to strain to distinguish the letters from the page. Text alignment is equally critical. Forcing paragraphs into justified alignment stretches the text and creates uneven gaps between words. These rivers of white space running down the page easily derail an older reader's focus. Strictly applying these visual accessibility rules transforms a basic book from a frustrating aesthetic piece into a highly functional, premium product. The royalty shift Amazon implemented in June 2025 makes high-end design mandatory for maintaining profitability. Effective June 2025, Amazon slashed print royalties from 60% down to 50% for books priced below $9.98. This margin squeeze makes the traditional $7.99 strategy unsustainable. Publishers must move titles to a $9.99 threshold. Readers will not pay $10 for a poorly formatted, hard-to-read paperback. To justify that premium price point, the product must deliver the flawless, accessible design standard we just built. Once you have that premium product, by grouping these highly legible books into a visually cohesive series, you trigger multi-book purchases and increase the lifetime value of every customer. Accessible design provides necessary justification for the premium pricing required to offset Amazon's aggressive margin cuts. The final step is protecting this new premium series from Amazon's strict administrative bots and customer reporting systems. Many publishers fear account bans and attempt to hide their use of generative AI tools. Proactive, transparent disclosure is a much safer strategy for long-term account health. If an AI generated the line art or the text, the AI-generated box must be checked. This applies rigidly, regardless of how heavily a human editor revised the material afterward. This voluntary disclosure acts as a defensive shield. It aligns your account with platform guidelines and minimizes the risk of reviewers acting on a customer complaint about AI quality. Beyond back-end administration, you have to guarantee your series is instantly recognizable to the buyer. This requires the ultimate front-end quality control check, the thumbnail test. In your design software, scale your cover down to exactly 10%. Look at that tiny image. If you cannot visually identify the specific niche and genre within 2 seconds, the cover fails. To fix a failed thumbnail, scale up your central character or core visual subject until it occupies at least 70% of the total canvas. Marrying accessible typography, premium collection pricing, and transparent algorithmic compliance is the definitive, bulletproof publishing strategy for the modern KDP landscape.